Hello, so today we are going to download tables into Excel using ReactJS. Let's see how it works. So let's quickly create a table first. Table th th like sr. Okay, I guess these will be enough just to clarify the meaning and concept of the example. In the T body, what we are going to do is D T T. Okay, so one Jack 10. In the second row would be serial number would be 2, chain and 20. The third one we will name it John and 43 as age. Let's see if our table is, yeah, you can see here. It's a video. It's not styled yet, but that's not the motive of this video. The video is just to demonstrate how to download this table into Excel format. So let's go ahead. Let's go to React export table to Excel. So it's an npm library which is used for this deed. We will just quickly follow this along and npm install React. I will copy this and paste it, paste it here. Okay, as soon as it is gets installed, let's see what example they are giving us. Okay, so in this example, we are using use wrap component called download table Excel, which is from the package React export table to Excel, and then we have a table and just this thing. I can explain it. So first one, where let's first add user ref const table ref use ref fine. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to import download table Excel. Okay, then we are going to do is we are going to copy this thing and at the top we are going to add it. So right now what we are going to do is we our file name will be users tables and it will like download this ref. Now if we give this ref to our table, we will get hopefully get our table gets downloaded in Excel format. Let's see, ref is equal to table ref. Okay, so I think everything is pretty much in place. Let's download it. Hopefully it gets installed. Okay, we click on export Excel and we are going this. Okay, it gets undefined at the moment. So sometimes gets undefined. Let's digest it. Let's look at the problem. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, sometimes you may face these silly problems which have no real logic behind. So what I did is I did remove one div to make it on the top, and what let me control Z. That's what I did. I just removed the divs, and now it's working. Kind of funny, but yeah, it's working now. And let's see here. You see, student name, age, everything is in now Excel. So yeah, sometime when you're working with these libraries, there may be some silly mistakes which you may not know where the origin of these mistakes are. But yeah, they just work eventually. So thank you. That's all.